I hope you are fine. In order to remove dental plaque from the teeth, we use a soft filamented or soft bristles toothbrush to remove dental plaque from all surfaces of our teeth in order to prevent plaque and tartar formation. But the main site or place from which we have to remove dental plaque, and that is very critical and very difficult to remove, is between the teeth, interdental area. Usually we use dental floss to remove dental plaque between the teeth, but sometimes spaces are very wide. It's very difficult to remove dental plaque from that area. For this, a special tool I will discuss with you today in this video. So, first of all, we have to see the spaces between the teeth as evident in this model. These spaces accumulate more plaque, which ultimately results in gum recession, swelling of the gums, bleeding from the gums, and teeth sensitivity, and ultimately tooth loss. In order to prevent all these things, we must use a special thing, which is interdental brushes. There are a set of interdental brushes or proxy brushes with color coding from fine to wide, for narrow spaces to wide spaces. Purple, blue, yellow, and green, there are different color coding. For very narrow spaces, we can use the purple one, and for very wide, we can use the green one. So, and the way we must use this interdental brush is very easy. First, wash your hands and then brush your teeth like we routinely twice a day do brushing, and then hold interdental brush and place in between these spaces and move back and forth movement to clean the plaque which is accumulated between our teeth. This is very easy method to remove plaque from these stagnation areas, retentive areas, and prevent these walls of teeth from tartar buildup. So always use this interdental brush once in a day, and after 7 days you can discard it and use a new one. Usually our toothbrush, the normal one, survive for 2 to 3 months, but this is very delicate interdental brush as it can survive only for 7 days. So keep your teeth clean, keep your mouth healthy, which ultimately results in health of your body, and always use interdental brushes once a day. Hopefully this video will be informative to you. If any question related to this, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.